Ballet Dance 3, very simple, just for a workout. If you want to be dancing ballet with correct technique, then look at my ballet steps, how to do each step video. But this is more for the total beginner, just for a fun dance workout, to not worry about technique, but to just get moving. So we're going to start facing the back, arms high V. 8 carews backwards, keeping the arms in a high V. Remember, it's 8 counts, not 8 steps. As many steps as you can do in 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 caroo counts round to face the front, slowly bringing your arms down. So you're going to start with your arms in a high V, use your head. You're going to keep them there as you caroo backwards for 8 counts, and as you turn round, carooing round, bring them down to hold your skirt or out to the sides if you're not wearing a skirt. 2 slow side touch points, side touch point, and then you're going to bring one arm down, the opposite arm down with a fondue, a bend on the other leg, and bring the arm up. Side touch point, taking the right arm up, the left arm diagonally down, and then sweeping down and up, and then side touch point to face the other corner. Side touch point, taking the left arm up, right arm out to the side, and the sweep down, fonduing, bending the other leg. Try and turn that knee out to the side, not facing forwards. On the side touch point, you're going to take your right arm up and your left arm out. So as you touch your toe to your knee, take them to this position. And then as you sweep down to that dégagé foot, take this top arm down past your nose, down through the centre of your body, and draw it down the leg, bending the right leg with the knee out sideways, down to the toe, and bring the arm up. And then we repeat it the other way, side touch point. As you touch, change the arms and your head. Bring this arm down past your nose, down through the centre of your body, and down the leg. Forward hop back point, and 3 quick spring points. Now remember, you can turn things such as the spring points, so you could end up the spring points facing the other corner, and then repeat. Forward hop back point, 1, 2, 3. On the forward hop back point, cross the arms and 3 spring points round to face the other side. Forward hop back point and 3 spring points to face the other corner. Forward hop back point, 1, 2, 3. Forward hop back point, 1, 2, 3. 1 gallop up to the left diagonal back, 1 gallop down to the right diagonal front. Gallop up, gallop down. On the gallops, whichever direction you choose to go, if you're going to the left, take this arm up as you gallop, and if you gallop to the right, take the right arm up. Of course, you can leave the first arm up on the second gallop. To the right diagonal back, 3 petit jetés, feet in first, hold skirt, 3 springs in first. 1, 2, 3, feet in first, hold skirt, 3 jumps in first, 1, 2, 3, and a wait. On the petits jetés, bring the arms down slowly, and to hold the skirt or just leave them out. Keep them there also on the springs in first, the little jumps. 2 preparations for a glissade. Again, you might want to turn them, or you might want to do them down in a diagonal. So that's just point, point, close, bend. If you're more advanced, you could do normal glissades, but keep them slow with pauses. For that, we're going to do low V for the first one and high V for the second one. So again, remember, you could go any direction. You might want to go to the right diagonal front, both times, or one time, or to the side. It's up to you. On the preparation for glissades, again, you can choose your direction. Low V on the first one, high V on the second one. 4 counts to either skip or parade round the room to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the skipping or parading round the room, cross the arms high. You can turn them or make any shape you like. A little run. You can run to the right corner or to the left diagonal front. Again, it's up to you where you want to go. Cross your arms high and kneel or lunge or dégagé behind for an attitude, depending on your ability. And keep them there as you kneel down. Open each arm, open, open. Going down on 2 knees if you're nearly on 1 knee, or bring to first, or do your dégagé in front, so change your position and make 2 sleeps. Sleep, sleep. Open each arm and sleep and sleep. It's very important that you don't just change your hands sleeping, that you make them more pretty and keep your elbows out fairly well, not close to your body. Then you're going to sweep your arms across. If you're standing now and you now want to kneel, you could do that, or vice versa, or remain in that position. Sweeping the arms across. Second time, end with the arms in third, which is 1 arm in first, curved round, and 1 arm out to the side. Kneel, or again change position, lunge, or any position you like, but to change your position is rather nice again, as you put your arms in third and hold. You'll change your position, which I first of all suggest as kneeling. You want to keep your arms in third. Arabesque arms to stand, or leave them, or change your position. This is up to you to choreograph your positions, because I know a lot of people can't kneel. Kneeling's not always the best option in my opinion. Then when I suggest standing with your foot dégagéed, change to any arabesque. Could be first arabesque, second arabesque, 1 in front, 1 out to the side, or indeed third arabesque. So every time I suggest changing arms, change to any of these. Arabesque arms to stand with footing dégagé behind. Hold. Side curtsy position. Again, you could change your arms. And I suggest the side curtsy position at the end. If you're here by then, you can circle them round, and as you curtsy, take them into a high coordination with a good head. And hold position to end. So you'll need to go back and play this video through. I suggest you write down what I'm saying so you can have your notes to look at. I don't want to use a whole video, keep repeating each part, because some people are quicker to learn and others not so much. And it's very difficult for me to show you these with music dancing because obviously I'm turning around and you won't be able to watch and copy anyway. So I suggest write down as I say, draw little pictures for positions and then work on it at home to your own music. Until next time, happy dancing.